Okay, you guys, here is all the ingredients you will need. Look at it. Take a look. Now we got the shrimps over here washed and clean. And here is all the season you will need to season the shrimps. That's salt, slap your mama season, garlic powder, onion powder, taco season, black pepper. And then once when them shrimps are cooked, we have the taco crunchy shells. We have picante sauce. We have sour cream. We have the stuffings of lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickled onions. We have shredded cheese. That's Kobe Jack and cheddar mixed together. Look at it, y'all. That's all you need to make you some good old delicious shrimp crunchy tacos. Okay, you guys, we have the shrimps here. We're going to add about a half a teaspoon of oil, seasoned with some slap your mama season, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 package of the taco season. Just the half a package. And we're gonna okay, next we're going to move it to the skillet. So come along. We're gonna let the skillet get hot, and we're going to add the shrimps into the skillet. We do not want to crowd the skillet with the shrimp, because if you crowd the skillet, it will make steam, and we don't want that. So let that fry on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. We preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to pop these crunchy taco shells in the oven for 2 minutes. We're going to flip these over. Woo! They look yummy. Flip them over, each and every one of them. Flip to that side. We're gonna let these cook for another minute, and we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna pull the taco shells out, and it will be time to build these tacos and eat. So come along. Okay, you guys, here's the finished product of the shrimps, and let's build the tacos. And a tomato. Shrimps. Okay. Next, a few little onions, some cheese, sour cream, little picante sauce, There you go. Shrimp tacos. Who want a close-up? Who wants some? Place your order. Place your order. Shrimp tacos. Oh, y'all, there it go. Don't that look good? Shrimp tacos. It has the lettuce, the tomatoes, the onions, the pickled onions, the shrimps, the sauteed shrimps. Oh my goodness. Sour cream. And who wants some? Don't that look good, y'all?